What is good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Nominal Investor, and I'm still grinding on this channel, making videos for you guys. You guys are the reason why I keep making these videos. I'm so grateful. We've reached 3,000 subscribers. So if you guys, it only takes like 10 seconds, but if you want, you guys can subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, man. You guys can stay updated and hit the bell for notifications on my next posts. New videos that I'm posting, you guys can get notified instantly. But yeah, enough of that. Also, free stocks, man. If you guys are new to investing, definitely start an account with Webull. You will get 2 free stocks valued between $15 to $1,500 depending on your luck. If you open a Webull account, you get approved, and then you deposit $100 within 30 days of being approved for that account. You guys will get that bonus stock, and these can become valuable. I mean, it just depends on your luck, and a lot of people are getting $15, $20 stocks, so that's normal. Use my link in the description for that. It's all that information is in the description. Check that out for sure. Don't miss out on free money. Now, I'm talking about the NIO Power Innovation event that took place. This was live streamed to the NIO official website, YouTube channel. But yeah, some good stuff, man. So it's some good info, man. They're talking about how they're gonna scale up their business even more. Now they have over 320,000 charging pals, and that's insane. They've grown so much. I remember they had way less than that last year. And look, this is just a brief look on the battery swap and how it's done, the process. We're obviously seeing an ES6, which is their flagship model. It's outselling the other car, the ES8. And now NIO is continuing to expand its power swap network in 2020. Now they have 143 stations in 64 cities. They do have a lot more expanding to do because China is a large country with a lot of cities and provinces. So I do expect that they're not even 10% of where they should be or where they want to be in terms of power swap stations and all that. Now this is just pretty much a milestone they hit, and as of August 2020, NIO has over 800,000 power swaps accomplished. Good news. I expect this number to grow in the millions, especially as they keep scaling up and they get more customers on their side to buy their NIO cars. Now that the EC6 is going to be at a cheaper price with the leasing options and everything, it's going to be a great buy for a lot of the people in China and just in the global market. Anyone who wants to buy an EV car, if they're buying it in a country where they offer subsidies for owning an EV vehicle, and also if there's just if they can get the car for cheaper as well, if it's something that's convenient to them, if it's better than just owning the battery, because they offer the chargeable, swappable, upgradable. That's the whole core of the business. So of course it's more logical. It makes more sense to rent the battery than to just own it, because it's like, leave the battery to them, like let them service, let them send their service specialist, whatever, to make sure your battery is working all the time. It's not your battery, it's their battery, but they'll make sure that your car is going to be running. That's the most important part of an EV, is the battery. So now what this does, if you're leasing the battery, you're essentially just lowering the threshold to buy an EV. So it's going to be a lot cheaper. You're going to pay less because you're just financing that battery. So you're not like leasing to own or anything like that. You're just renting it throughout the life of your EV, and that improves the resale value. Not only that, but there's just a lot of flexibility in upgrading and everything. So in the future, if they come out with a way better technology, or just a better battery in general, then you can easily just opt in for one of those. You don't have to be tied to your old battery. You could just trade in the current one you have for a newer one if they come out with something better. So that's what they mean by the upgrade flexibility. Now they just included this is just like a one-on-one thing, but yeah, they're definitely going towards somewhere. They're definitely doing something great with that. I do see a lot of potential. So battery leasing is just a part of their business model. It's all to help facilitate this new business that they have going on, the battery as a service business. it's a new model which has great scalability, and it's going to maximize the value of their company. So for sure, it's something positive. Now that we went over that, I want to talk about just the stock in general. It looks like let me go on the daily chart. But on the daily chart, as you can see, even here on Robinhood, you can see that they're actually reaching higher lows, so and higher highs. You can tell that if you look at the monthly chart, because when it came back down to 13 a day ago, 2 days ago, around there, that closed at a higher price than, you know, when it fell down to under $13 on the 14th, and you know, when it was at around 11.77. So NIO is definitely reaching higher lows and higher highs. So yeah, that's how you know the price is trending upwards. I just see a lot of positivity with this company. They have a lot going on, man, so far with their new business model. They're tapping into a 2 trillion RMB market, man. And like that's enough for them to make money, you know, and stay profitable. If they start getting more sales and deliveries and everything, they can utilize that. It's just gonna be this money making machine for them, literally. And I see a lot of current price of NIO is back at where it was around August 17th, like almost a week ago, because the buying volume and everything was similar to then. But yeah, I mean, this stock, it's just trending upwards. I can see this going up. There is a bull flag right here formed, and let me go back to right here. This guy right here on the TradingView community, he said that he expects the stock to reach $23 by the end of October, so around Halloween. Yeah, maybe this could actually happen, or it could actually be December by the time it reaches $22. I don't know. I mean, it seems like, because it's consolidating. It's been consolidating at $13-14 for a while now. So on a red day for NIO, I think that it's been closing at higher lows, and that's all we need to know. You know, when you're looking at a stock and you're seeing if it's trending upwards, just look at the monthly chart. You know, zoom out a bit on the chart and see how it's closing, man. Is it on bad days? Is it closing at a lower low or a higher low? So if you see that it's the low is no longer $12-13, now it's $14 or whatever as an example, then now you know that the stock is forming support. It's slowly getting up there to $15, $16. You know, instead of having that $11-12 support, it's getting up to $16. And then that resistance, which was, you know, the previous resistance of $16, can turn into a support, and then you have the stock going up, breaking out from that and getting up to 20, and then that momentum just carries it forward. So I think with this guy on TradingView, he's saying that the stock is going to reach $24 by the end of October. I think that's very realistic. Now NIO has a lot of outstanding shares. They have somewhere around 900 million. So yeah, it's possible for it to reach $30. Now something like $100 is impossible. I mean, I would love for that to happen, but with the amount of outstanding shares they have, I don't see that happening in until a year from now, at least. But yeah, for sure, let me know what you guys thought about this video. I'll be posting more, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.